Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello everyone, Jona Rose here with a festive twist. I've repurposed my gobble trays into charming ornament holders, giving a helpful, cheerful touch. Wait, why is there a warning for a Christmas charm? The gobblers picked a cool, wintry design from AnkerMake. They're crafting a snowman, or so I think. I don't speak gobble after all. A knock from my pantry. That's not sus at all. Oh, what's this? Our Xmas charm. Rather a creepy snowman. Oh, the shock.
I'm horribly fainting.
Hey, Jona Rose might have just fainted. They called me a Christmas charm at first, but really, I'm more of a scary snowman. Upcycling plastic turkeys with Santa hats was clever, but who would leave these minions crafting for the holidays? Those turkeys, with their holiday horror perspective, really outdid themselves this time. You see, for these gobblers, holidays are a fright fest. There's Valentine's Day with arrow-slinging cherubs.
I only aim for the heart!
And don't get them started on Halloween. The pumpkin carving ordeal. All those grenades and jack-o'-lanterns.
Who's smiling now?
And Thanksgiving? Let's not mention the fate of the unpardoned brethren. So what did they do for Christmas? They create me, a Jack Frost-esque figure, but with a twist. Yup, I'm the scary winter charm, a delightful fright for your holiday nights. Forget Cole. I'm the perfect stocking stuffer for those who relish a bit of spookiness. Creepy movie buffs, those on the naughty list, horror aficionados. I'm here for them all. And where better to hide than in a Christmas tree? Just call me a festive surprise. The prettier the tree, the more I love lurking within. Move over, elves on shelves.
Oh, what happened? It looks like we're out of time. Wait, the Xmas turkeys.
Join us next time, gobble, gobble, as we make a Christmas tree. Gobble, comment, gobble, subscribe.
Yes, like, comment, and subscribe. Next time for sure. But where did that scary snowman go?
No scary snowman here, just us prepping for the next project. A Christmas tree. Gobble, gobble?
But where did the snowman go?